Let us discuss about list in HTML. So there are different types of list. In this video, we are going to talk about the ordered list and unordered list. So ordered list, on seeing the name itself, you can understand that it will be in a proper order, like either 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay. Unordered list, which means you, if you want to add some list as a bullets, okay, like any special points, any key points, if you want to add and that is not in an ordered manner, then you can add it with a bullet list. Okay, let's see how to add ordered list first. Okay, so to define an ordered list, you have to start with OL. Okay, OL is a tag which is used to tell HTML that you're going to insert an ordered list. Okay, and inside you are supposed to tell some lists. Okay, li means list. See, once I have used ol and li, you can see here that it started with 1. Okay, so I'm going to type the list of programming languages. Okay, so the first one will be like Python, and the second one is like R, and the third list probably be Java. Okay, so I have 3 lists here, that is Python, R and Java, which is ordered list. Okay, so ordered list, and I just wanted to give the break here, so I'm using break, so it is an ordered list. Okay, so same thing if I'm using an unordered list. Okay, unordered list, so you have to use what? You have to use ul. Okay, ul means unordered list, u for unordered and l for list. And if I give li, which is a list, you can see that it's showing as a bullets. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to just give the IDEs used for the programming languages. Okay, so for this I'm going to add Anaconda, and in the second list I'm going to add PyCharm, and in the third list I'm going to add RStudio. Okay, so you can see the difference. See, inside the list I am not giving any break, okay, br tag, but automatically it is creating a break line. Okay, so which is every individual list will come in another, that is a new lines. Okay, and if I use ol, that is an ordered list, it will be like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can include how much number of list you want, you can add it. Even in unordered list you can add more lists. Okay, now let us see how to change this order, because you can even add, instead of 1 to 3, you, if you wish to add a b c, okay, that is also possible. Fine, you can add a b c. Okay, so you have to use a attribute called type. Okay, attribute, ol is an tag, it's an element, where type is an attribute. Here you have to specify what type of thing you need it. So you can directly see here that it is changed to a b c, which is capital letter A. If you want it in a small letter A, you can also give here like small a. Okay, and if you need it in a Roman letters, okay, you have to give the capital letter I, which you can see that capital letter Roman letters has been added here. And if you use a small letter I, you can see that it is a small letter Roman letters. Okay, that is a lowercase Roman letters, it is appearing like that. Okay, so this is possible with what? The order tag. Okay, and in case if you want to start, for example, if you're using a number, okay, I'm using a number, but I wish to start with a different different number. For example, I wish to start with 20, that you can give. See here, now it started from 20. Okay, and let's give like type is equal to a, and start is equal to n. Okay, fine. So the numbers, okay, so you can see here that this type is working, that is start and type is working with numbers. Okay, if you haven't used anything, so it will by default it will be a number, and if you want to make it to start from 100, even if it is from 100, you can type it, it will start from 100. Okay, so it is applicable for the numbers. Okay, and even for unordered list, you have various options. Okay, like type, if you want a type like mm, disk. Okay, so this is the default type. Okay, if you want a type like circle, you can change that into a circle. You can see that this unordered list type has been changed. Okay, and if you want it as a square, that is also possible here, so it will be changed into square. But it supports only a few types of changes. Okay, like you cannot do more than a few type of bullets. Okay, it's not basically possible with the unordered list. Okay, so ordered list means it should start with ol, and then you have li. Okay, and if it is an unordered list, then you have to start with ul, and it should proceed. So what are the list you want to add, that you have to add it inside the li tag. Okay, and for ul type you have only three types: square, disk, and circle. And for ol you have five types: one is a default, one is a number, and the other four types which you can add is that uppercase capital letter, lowercase capital letter, uppercase Roman letters, and the lowercase Roman letters. Okay, you can also do the nested lists. Okay, for example, you can add ol, and inside you can add li, and I'm going to talk about what data analytics tools. Okay, and inside that I'm going to use ul, and here I'm going to give what tableau. Okay, and power bi. Okay, and then I'm also giving data studio. Fine, so this ul is over. Okay, and inside I can give another li, and I can ask data analytics programming languages. Okay, so this is the second list, and I can start with ul, and inside that li I'm uh, creating a list, python r language. Okay, fine. So here you can see that this is a nested list. Okay, inside that is ol, inside the ordered list I am using an unordered list, and I'm creating this. Even if you want some more sublists, okay, so even inside tableau, if you want to write more about, like if you want to have ol, okay, and I can create what li, and I can use tableau certified data analyst. Okay, you can see that inside that I have added one more list. Okay, this we call it as a nested list. Okay, within that you can also add, so you can create n number of nested lists, and if you want only a single list, that is unnested one, you can just go ahead with that, or else if you want to create a nested list, you can also do that. Okay.